y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, back with part 3 of the peach series. So if you've been watching, we've made a peach smoothie, we've made a peach turnover, and now I'm about to level it up on y'all. I'm giving you peach salsa. I don't know if you've ever had mango salsa. This right here is next level. Poppin', like I surprised myself with how good it was. I mean, it's good with chips. It's good on tacos. It's good. I could probably just eat a spoonful of it. It's that good. Oh my goodness. If y'all want to see how I make this peach salsa, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. To a bowl, you're gonna add some yellow bell peppers, orange bell peppers, pickled jalapenos, and then you're gonna add your freshly diced peaches. So this next ingredient, tomato, is optional, but I just love the color contrast. Same reason I'm going in with some red onion. Put as much or as little cilantro as you like. I just, kind of went with what felt right. And now it's adding in the lime juice. So it can be hard to get all the juice out of a lime. So I microwaved my lime first, then I rolled it, and I just did an arm workout to get all that juice into the bowl for my salsa. Finally, we're going to add some salt, and you add as little or as much as you like, and then it's not complete until you stir it, and then you need to do a taste test. And I recommend a thick, hearty tortilla chip to hold all this goodness for your taste test. So as you can see, I'm trying to get the perfect scoop, and y'all, I had to cut the sound because I was smacking. This salsa is that poppin'. So let me know what you think in the comment section below.